Harbor Freight Central Machinery 7 horsepower plate compactor unboxing. Plywood on the top of the frame. After tax, this thing was over $700. That plywood top and bottom, metal frame. Which that one was broke. That next to the tire broke. Don't look like there's going to be much assembly to this one. Got oil fill spout. Air breather. Belts. Instructions. Might do something different and actually read the instructions. Here are the wheels. Except I bet I don't have enough gas here to start it. Better look on the paperwork and see how much oil it takes. Tank size is 3/4 of a gallon. Compact depth is 13 inches, 3,600 pounds. It weighs 205 pounds. Switch on. That works. I call that a success. I never expected it to start first lick. So we got 2 extra belts, an extra breather, spark plug wrench, and instructions. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Let me know in the comments if they got it right.